All right, in this problem, there's not really a whole lot of math to do. All we're going to be doing is reading the graph and the choices that are below. So it tells us Amy receives a pay increase, and she's going to put all of that money into her savings category. You can see that there are 6 different categories that she spends her money, or 5 different categories. So the question is, when she does this, when she puts all the money into her savings category, or savings account, how's the graph going to be affected? The sectors or each of the different sections, okay? So obviously, no, the size of the savings sector is going to get bigger because it's the only one that's being added to. So if we look at responses A and B, A says the sectors will remain the same, but they won't stay the same because they have to change because the same amount of money or the same percent isn't given to each of the sections. So we can also cancel out B for the exact same reason. Okay? So it comes down to C and D. C and D both start the same way. It says the sectors will change, but here are the 2 differences. In letter C, it says the percentages in all the categories will decrease, or in letter D, it says all the percentages will increase. But the only one that's going to see an increase is going to be the savings, because that's where all the money is going to. So letter D doesn't really make much sense, because all the sectors aren't going to change. Some will get smaller, but the only one that's going to get bigger is going to be the savings one. So the correct answer here has got to be letter C. The sectors will change because the percentage of savings increase, but the other categories are going to decrease.